Hi guys, it's Madness Nail Art. This is me editing my Ipsy video. So I said Madness Art instead of Madness Nail Art. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hey guys, it's Madness Art. Oh my god, Madness Art, aka Caitlin here. So I got my hair dyed professionally. I can't do this by myself. So I got a kind of like dusty lavender ombre. It looks more purple in like different lighting because I think sometimes like this looks rose gold and then down here is more of like a darker purple. So she did like a kind of ombre. It's a balayage but an ombre because she said they're the same thing, which they are. It's just that a balayage is a different kind of ombre. It's not like one straight line. I don't know hair, so I don't, just ignore me. Anyways, yeah, so I got it dyed. And so today, I already opened the January Ipsy Bag. It's January 30th that I'm filming right now. The reason why I'm filming on January 30th is because I tried to film this video like twice, so hopefully the third the third video is the third charm. And then, well, I have some sad news, but this month's bag is super cute. It's marble, and then it has pink on the inside, and then there's a pink zipper. It's not one where it opens on the top. It opens, like, more to the front and a little down. And it's really cute. I love marbled stuff. So, January's theme is clean slate. And then I'm actually going to give you the prices because I did not know that Ipsy gave me prices for things. So first up we got the Ahava Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream and Sea Kiss. I absolutely love this. So the full size for this hand cream is $24, which would be 3.4 fluid ounces. It smells very good. And I'll kind of talk about my thoughts as I go. And then next up we got the Bella Pierre Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Shadow Eye Candy in Venus. And so the full size is $20. And then we're not talking about drama on this channel, so I was sent it, I'm going to use it, and that's that. So this is the Too Faced Cosmetics Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, and the full-size version of this product, which is 40 milliliters, is $34. Milliliters, that's weird. Yeah, so, and then this is the Beauty for Real Lip Revival Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Laura. And so the full size value for this is $14. I absolutely love this stuff. And, yeah. So then, sadly, this is the Ciate London Glow to Illuminating Blush and Date Night. And the full size of this is $26. And I broke mine on accident. I shattered it, as you can see. So I'm gonna try to use that up. If you saw my Project Pan video, I am planning to do this one just because it's broken in there. I'm not sure if I'll use it up, but I'll try my best. So, I'm gonna do all of my base stuff, and if you watch my videos, you kind of already know what products I use, so I will be right back. Sorry guys, I just realized I didn't prime with my Too Faced primer, I primed with my Urban Decay primer. But I promise in the next video I will prime with this one so you can see it. And then, well, just to tell you my thoughts about this, I think it's a pretty good primer. I think it, like, hydrates your skin and gets your skin ready for your foundation and other makeup. Yeah. And so I'm going to bronze today with the Butter Bronzer. We're going for a little soft glam moment, so I'm going to take that on my BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Right, let me blend that out. Alright, and then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics number 2 blush brush and go in with my Broken Ciate London blush. I do like this blush, so I think I would be possibly interested in buying it. Okay, I think that's good. So then I'm going to blend that out. Alright, so today for a highlight, I'm going to use a cream highlighter. So it's the Larizzi highlighter. It's the DuPont in Utopia. And so you can use this for a blush as well. It's a very pretty rose gold color. I got it in my June Ipsy Bag. Or, I'm sorry, my July Ipsy Bag. Okay, I think that's good. So then I'm gonna quickly reach for my setting spray behind me. And I'm going to, oh, actually, let me do my forehead. I always forget this. I'm not sure why. I do this like when I do makeup on my own and not for like a YouTube video. Which actually I haven't quite done that in a while. Except for when I use the conspiracy palette that you would see in my other video. How'd that look? Okay, so now I'm going to spray my face. Alright, and then I'm going to prime my eyelid and do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so today I'm going to use the ColourPop Zingara collection along with my Bella Pierre liquid eyeshadow. So first I'm going to take the color Elixir. This is from their Zingara collection. So it looks like that. And then I'm going to take a round crease brush. And I believe that's it. Yep. And then I'm going to go in. Alright, and then the next color I'm going to go in with is Paradox, and it is a red shade. These are all Super Shock shadows as well. Alright, I'm going to take a blending brush. This is the BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, and then I'm just gonna lightly blend both of those shades together. Alright, now I learned that with this eyeshadow it's best to just go all in and let it dry. I tried using like little dots and that did not help, so it's a very pretty shade. We're just gonna go all in, guys. I think that's good, so I'm gonna let it dry for a bit. It is a very pretty color, like I was saying. Now, I've always used liquid eyeshadows because I used to do cheer and I had this one eyeshadow where on one half it was gold and the other was like a black glittery color because that was my school colors, black and gold. And that one was kind of difficult because I tried to put like the black over the gold and I don't think it turned out like it should. But then again, I wasn't like, I'm not saying I'm experienced with makeup, I am a beginner at best. So yeah. So yeah. I don't know what to say. Alright. I do have my contacts in right now. So what I'm gonna do is take Seeker, and this is a Super Shock shadow. It's a matte finish. It's a dark brown shade. So I'm gonna put that on my outer V with this Eco Tools brush. So we're gonna really dig into that and smoke out this look a little bit. Alright, let me take this blending brush and blend out my outer V area. Just to get that soft glam feel. Alright, and then for highlight my inner corner, I'm going to take my Moonchild palette and I'm going to use the shade Star. It's a pretty silver shade. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. So let's put on this lip balm that's tinted in the shade Laura. I like this one because it kind of smells like Coca-Cola. Alright, so here is my final thoughts on everything. I really like this. I am definitely going to purchase the big size of this. It smells really good. It's like flowers and the ocean. That's how I would describe the scent. And then this is pretty good. It's very hydrating and I like it. And then this blush is beautiful and I broke it. But it's very shimmery and kind of has like a purple. Well, I don't want to say purple, but it's kind of purple pink. I don't know, like which. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna break it again. Yeah. And then I like this a lot. Ooh, look, I used some already. Yeah, so it's very pretty. It reminds me of my old Chew days. And you might have to do like 2 layers of it because it kind of came off like at the ends, although that might have been my fault because maybe I didn't let it dry, which is my bad. Yeah, so I think that everything looks good. Oh, and I forgot to do my highlight. Uh-oh. Where did it go? Oh. Okay. So, I'm going to highlight under my brows with Star again. Oh wait, I don't think I did Star over here. There we go. Now let's highlight with star. Alright, so this is the finished look today, and then I'm going to set everything, so. We're all dolled up. So this is the final look, guys. I think it turned out okay. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye.